Now on to the next chapter, which is chapter 4, executive functionality. Part 1, clarity of vision and mental strength. Your internal faculties play a crucial role in how effectively you can formulate and execute your vision. Faculties are potentials. Clarity of vision. To navigate your career or organization successfully, it is essential to have a clear understanding of your destination. This means defining long-term goals and ensuring your short-term actions align with the overarching vision. So, everything to contribute. If you're doing something, it must stack up and add momentum. Should I be doing photography, videography? Okay, now I've got a better portfolio combined. All right, cool. Design, all right, artwork. But should I be selling clothes? Do you see that it's not adding to a unified vision? A lot of people lose momentum by scattering themselves. I know it does sound good to have 5 different business ideas so that if one gets broke, in theory, another one still has money. You can mess yourself up with that. You need to find the right thing to do and do 1 the right thing and not 5 maybe the right thing, because what will happen is 4 not the right thing will take away energy from 1 the right thing.